Hi guys, I am back with a gel polish mani. So before we get started, I do have on my Luxie nail builder gel. I keep that on as a foundation, and then I have on one coat of Hollow Taco Pilly Base for easy removal of my gel polish. So we're going to be using Nail Addict gel polishes. I've already applied the base and cured for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to apply my base color, which the color we'll be using today is Green Elves. This is part of Nail Addict's A December to Remember gel polish collection. This color gives me retro Christmas vibes, so guys, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application, and then I'll be back to do some nail stamping. So after I applied the second coat and cured, I went in and applied Nail Addict's the No Wipe top coat in preparation for nail stamping. And the reason why you want to apply top coat, because if you end up playing reindeer games like I did with this mani, you'll end up wiping your stamp off, and you don't want to have, gel polish all over your nails and things like that. So it's easier to top coat and do your stamping. That way you can wipe off any errors. And before I go though, well, not before I go because I don't know where I'm going right now, the video's not over, but make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you enter the giveaway. I will link the giveaway video in the cards. So I'm going in with a clear jelly stamper plate 42, and I'm going in and I want to use the Santa hats and mittens. So it's a two-part stamp. So I'm going to go in and use some red and white stamping polish by Clear Jelly Stamper as well. And I do have a discount code for Clear Jelly Stamper. It will be down below in the description box. So before you do your stamping, you want to clean off your plate with some acetone, pure acetone, not anything that has oils or things like that in there. And so you'll see the video will, I'll go to another clip and you'll see red all over the paper towel. That's just because, guys, I stamped this thing a million times. Not really, but it was too often, and I didn't like it. I ended up stamping the mittens and the gloves, and then I would stamp the second part of that image, and it didn't do right. So what I ended up doing was stamping the first image with the mittens and gloves, mittens and gloves. That's Jesus. It's mittens and hats. Stamp that, and then I apply top coat, and then that way when I go in with the second image, if I don't line it up all the way right or to my liking, I can wipe that off and it doesn't remove the first image that I stamped. So as I mentioned before, I go in, I clean up my skin, and I forgot to hit record, and I applied top coat and cured. And so I went in for the second image on my middle finger, and y'all, I didn't even hit record, which really annoyed me. So lesson, or the goal is pay attention to what you're doing. But so I'm going in and I'm trying to line this up, and I'm thinking I got it right. I was like, oh yeah, oh that's perfect, that's perfect. Doggone, I lined that thing up, and then I took a look, and you can see that's why I froze the frame here. It got off centered. In some places it was perfect, like it was in perfect condition or perfect position, and it just, top part of my nail, it was just off. So I wiped that off, and you see how it didn't take away the image that I previously stamped because I top coated it. So for those of you that are not that great, such as myself, with layering, doing layering stamping, that's just a helpful tool or hint. Top coat each image, that way you're not having to keep redoing it, the entire thing. And I know you may be like, that's a lot of curing in a lamp, but it keeps you from doggone redoing the whole thing and getting frustrated. So I'll go in, and I think I tried maybe an additional time after this. I can't really remember. Yeah, that's way off. Look at that mess right there, way off. So I think on the third or fourth time I get it lined up pretty good. It still wasn't perfect, but it was good enough. I'm not a professional, I'm an at-home DIYer, so I do the best that I can do. So you do the best you can do, and I'll do the best I can do, and we'll just agree to that. But anyway, I'm being silly at this point. But going in again with that, and you can see that, and I don't know if you pay attention, red stamping polish can be so pigmented, so make sure you have your surface protected so you don't get red polish everywhere. So I'm trying to line that up as best as possible, and I'm taking my sweet old time, and the video is sped up a little bit, so I was even slower. So I think after this one, I think I got it pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And so I was so excited after. I was like, yay. So I top coated, and then of course, y'all know I just couldn't leave it alone. I am adding a rhinestones to my pinky, my index finger, and my thumbs, and then I'm going to cure. Look how ooey gooey that jewelry gel is. So guys, I cured for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and I just want to show you my inspo photo off of Pinterest, and it had candy canes, but it had that same mint green color with the red and white. So I only have a plate with a single candy cane, and I was not getting ready to be stamping a bunch of candy canes. So I thought the mittens and the hats were a good pair with that. So after your nails are cooled off from being cured in your lamp, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. This is Candy Skincare cuticle oil, sugar cookie, perfect for the holiday season or any season, because I like cookies anyway. But you want to massage that in really well. I hope you guys like the finished look. You will definitely have to let me know what you think. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And again, don't forget to enter the giveaway for 6 Nail Addict gel polishes. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week or next time. Thanks for watching.